Adult content warning contains coarse, strong language and reeks of bad boy goth attitude.
Choosy mothers choose new Jif. Now it's fine grind.
Greetings, fellow YouTubers. Sandwich, white bread. So we have this sandwich right here. It has Reese's Pieces, as you can see, YouTube. Ho ho! Look at that! What did I put on this here sandwich, YouTube? It's on white bread, as you can see. YouTube! That is tasty. Now, sandwich, Jif. I said it. Jif. J-I-F-F. Jif. Jif creamy peanut butter and Reese's Pieces peanut butter M&Ms. You know how it is. Reese's Pieces candies. Some Jif creamy peanut butter. On the other half of the sandwich, I smeared some Nutella. And of course some creamy Kraft mayo. And then just a touch of the Frank's Red Hot sauce. You know, the Nutella, the creamy Jif peanut butter, the mayonnaise, Frank's Red Hot original cayenne pepper sauce, Frank's Red Hot cayenne pepper sauce, Frank's Red Hot sauce, Nutella, Reese's Pieces, and mayonnaise, Frank's Red Hot sauce, miniature frozen pizza, deep dish pizzas, Frank's Red Hot sauce, the original cayenne pepper, Frank's Red Hot original cayenne pepper hot sauce. One of those pepperoni deep dish pizzas. 2 chicken strips. So the bread. Some queso dip. Some mozzarella cheese that were shredded. And some of those sour cream and cheddar Lay's chips. And the Reese's Pieces. But adding the Frank's Red Hot sauce to all of that. The main focus was the mayonnaise. Gives this sweet, chocolatey sandwich a delicious heat. YouTube. You're going to hate me for saying this, but this is a tasty sandwich. Unless you got a peanut allergy, YouTube. Then you're fucked. Yeah. Yeah. And if you think this kind of sandwich looks utterly repulsive, no one's forcing you to fucking watch my gross-ass cooking videos. You know that? Nobody is forcing you to watch my gross-ass cooking videos. Have you ever had almond milk? It's disgusting. The fucking asshole who put Frank's Red Hot original cayenne pepper sauce on a sandwich with Kraft mayo, chocolate Nutella spread, Jif creamy peanut butter, and Reese's Pieces candy is gonna call almond milk disgusting. You're just taking your stupid Reese's Pieces peanut butter burger, taking away several ingredients, cooking less ingredients, and adding hot sauce to it. Yeah, and? Anyways, YouTube, subscribe for more crazy food combinations. Man, look at that puff pooping on me. Believe this? Hold up.